if somebody is going to think about doing business, first of all, one needs to research about what is going to start. Research about it, know where you can get raw materials from, know your market, know how best you can manage in terms of human resource management, financial management, marketing of the product, then sales. But also what matters is financial management. How much do you take in as a profit? How much do you put back into the business so that it keeps on growing? Most people forget that when you have a business, that money that you have belongs to the business, and what belongs to you is just the profit that you get. But you can also utilize part of the profit and then you put back into the business. But most people run down their businesses because they have no idea about financial management. But when you know that you have to put in the business for you to get, then you manage it very well.